Welcome to a Prevent Connect podcast, where we explore the prevention of violence against women. This is a project of the California Coalition Against Sexual Assault.
What impact does sexual violence have on your business, your organization, your community? How do the losses from sexual violence become your business in economic terms, in terms of productivity, and in terms of organizational or professional relationships? Given these losses, how can you reduce or prevent sexual violence in your spheres of influence?
At the Minnesota Summit to Prevent Sexual Violence, Emcee Jeff Horwich, host of Minnesota Public Radio's In the Loop, posed questions to summit participants on what they can do to prevent sexual violence within their own spheres. At tables throughout the room, participants discussed these questions with each other and entered their responses via laptop and IML. Then Emcee Horwich shared some of the ideas from this group.
Take a minute, of course, to read that. I can read a few of them as they breeze by. Approach Minnesota colleges and institutions as an employer. 5% is dedicated to artwork, for instance. Multidisciplinary social justice, sharing responsibility among ourselves. 1% of funds used in recidivism work be allocated to primary prevention. Reframe treatment programs and education programs to a holistic process across the spectrum. Here, we're going to expand the capabilities of our communicator devices here, really communicate with them. Now these things have, like a cell phone, if you held it up like this, there's a microphone right there. And one of the things we'll be able to do maybe a bit this afternoon, we've got a bit of time now to just kind of try it out, is to test out this microphone experience. You don't want to hear from me anyway. Let's hear from some of you.
Thank you for listening to this Prevent Connect podcast. Prevent Connect is a project of the California Coalition Against Sexual Assault, with funding from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. The views presented on Prevent Connect are not necessarily the views of the United States government, the CDC, or CalCASA. To learn more about Prevent Connect, visit www.preventconnect.org. For more information about CalCASA's mission or to show your support, visit calcasa.org. That's CALCASA.org.